Good morning, my name is Arslan and you are watching Proper Tech Tutorial. So welcome back to the series of learning Siemens NX from beginner to pro. And in this video, we'll be starting the part 21, that is the Boolean operations. So in the previous video, we have started the sketch-based modeling tools and we have discussed that in too much detail. So if you are some new user and you want to understand the sketch-based modeling tools, do check our part 20 video. So without any further delay, let us start and let me show you the syllabus for today's lecture. That will be unite, subtract, intersect and none. So these are the Boolean operations. So what is actually a Boolean option? That is, Boolean option allows the body to connect with another body that is either touching it or joining it or intersecting it. So this is the thing which is a Boolean option that is available in the Siemens. So what we'll do, we'll just create a new file. I will make it part 21. And I will create a sketch environment. I will click on plane, XY, okay. Okay. So first what we'll do, I will create a rectangle. Create a rectangle using this as the center. After that, what I will do is that I will create a circle with the same center. After that, what I will do is that I will create a polygon, let us say, and the polygon will be somewhat like this. Okay, so now this has been created and we'll finish the sketch, and after that I will show you one by one what are the various options that the booleans do. So first of all, the I will extrude the rectangle. Okay, let us say I want to extrude it to 100 and lie. So you see that the Boolean operation is currently inferred. It does not make any changes, it does not affect at all. But now what we will do will affect the result when we will select it inferred or we will select it at none. So first of all, we will study what is the Boolean operation of unite. So now we will do another extrude and we will click on the curves that are this polygon. If you want to select a line that is a line out of multiple lines, if they are like collinear or conjoining or intersecting or one above another, so you just shall need to hover your cursor at that point and you will see three dots just beside your cursor, and when you will do a left click, you will have the option of selecting the whatever you want to select from the top right pop-up box. So I want to select the line 8, that is the part of the the hexagon, and after that you see that inferred is suggesting that we subtract it. Okay, so now if I make it 200, it is subtracting from the existing body. So what I will do, I do not want to subtract it. I want to make this as a part of one single body. I will click on unite. Unite allows the user to create multiple bodies into a one single body. I will click on unite and you will see that there are no distinct lines and this face is incomplete, in totality one single face. However, if I had not used the option of unite and I would have let it be at none, you will see that this face and this face is distinct and separate from one another. So that is the beauty of unite option. I will click on unite. After that, what is the second option that is available is that I will again click on extrude. I can either click on subtract also, but I will click on extrude and I will click the arc, that is the circle, and after that I will click on subtract. So you will see that it is subtracting that amount of material from that body. So I do not want it to subtract till the value of 200. I want it to subtract to a lesser value. So what I will do is that I will just click on until next, and I will click on until selected, and I will just click on this face. So you will see that it is not able to select that particular face. Or I will click on, I will just refresh that. I will click the curve. I will click on until extended, and I want it to be extended till this place, this value. So you have selected until select until extended, and it will subtract till this. And I will click on apply, and we will see that a hole has been created till that depth. Also, if I want to change this value, what I can do is that I will just click on value, and you will see that a value has already been generated, and I can change that value to be less or more either with the help of typing or moving the mouse by selecting the blue arrow. Another method that is available is that is through all. Through all allows you to subtract or to extrude your 2D sketch into a 3D feature till all the possible faces that are available in that direction. If I will change the direction, you will see that there is an error message, tool body completely outside target body. If I will again reverse the direction into the positive z axis, you will see that there are no error messages as of now. So these are various things that can be done by the user. If I want to select offset from selected, I will select this, but it is not possible. I will select this, and after that what I will do, okay, I will not click this as offset from selected, and I will click this offset from selected, and I will select this body, and offset will be 100 mm, and the this will be, and offset from selected I want it to be 150 mm. So you will see that it is creating a hole inside the tool at a distance of 100 from this face, and with a total thickness of 50 mm, that is 150 minus 100. So these are various options that are available in Siemens NX. I can also make this from offset, change that from offset to until extended or until selected, and I will select this face, and you will see that a hole has been made. So various methods are available to create the same result in Siemens NX. To create this same result, the same result that has been generated by using this type of extrude, offset from selected and until selected, I can create the same result just by selecting value, and this will be 0, and this will be until extended, and this will be this, and you will see that the same result has been generated by using other options. So it is like a vast array of options that are available in Siemens NX. Another thing is Intersect. Let us come to Intersect. So what I will do, I will just take these extrudes, and I will take this extrude and delete it. I will go back to this hexagonal extrude, and I will click on Intersect. So now what you will see is that only the body, only the 3D part that is in intersection or is in common with the previous body that is already existing, and like passing through that or intersecting that or joining that or connecting with it, only that part will be made available, and the remaining part will be automatically trimmed out. So you see, this is the beauty of using intersect tool. Furthermore, if I want to intersect only this circle out of the all the bodies, what I will do is that I will click on this circle, I will specify through all, and then I will click on intersect, and you will see that only this cylinder remains. Okay, so this is the use of intersect while we are doing any extrude operation, and unite, subtract, and intersect. If you want something like that, it should be decided by the NX, like things which are very common, like subtracting and uniting, etc. Like for example, if you are making a sketch operation, like if you are doing a sketch operation, 3D operation from the sketch that are both in the same sketch environment, then it will automatically make the option of doing a subtract. For example, generally circles are used when the things are like subtract, and pentagon when we use like, you see, this is also subtract because it is in the same sketch environment. However, I've selected it invert and you see that it is subtracting. I will go back to the same sketch environment and you see that this is a sketch. I will create another sketch. I will delete this, or what I can do is that I will just create a rectangle. I will make this line and this line equal to each other. I will, sorry, I will make this line equal to this line, and I will make this line equal to this line. Okay, and I will make this point to be, okay, it is already collinear because you see that the constraint of collinear was being present, the two dashed lines. I will just show you for your convenience. When I was selecting this point, you see that this point collinear relation is already present, so we need not apply it again. And now this has been done, I will just do an extrude, the same thing. I will click on connected curves, I will specify the vector, I will specify the value, and it will be inferred, and I will click on apply. After that, what I will do, I will create another sketch on top of that extrude thing, the extruded 3D feature. I will create another circle, or I will create another pentagon. I will create another circle, and circle has been created. I will finish the sketch environment, and then I will do the extrude option. And you see that inferred is not subtracting from the existing body. If I reverse it, then it will subtract it. But if I do not reverse it, it will not subtract it. And what will happen is something like it will unite both the bodies. So there is no visible difference as of now. So what I will do is that, just to show you the thing that is over here, that I will go back to this sketch environment. I will delete this circle. I will make a polygon, and before making a polygon, let us do what? Let us create a line. Let us create a line that is, okay, no problem. Let us create a pentagon, and that will allow us to do that, or a hexagon. Okay, I will make it horizontal. After that, what I need to do is that I want this line. I want this line of the curve to be projected. So what I will do is that I will just click on. So what we need to do is that we need to make this hexagon concentric, or touching the edge of the cuboid. So what we have to do is that we see that we are unable to select this edge of the hexagon, the midpoint of this hexagon, this rectangle. So what we'll do is that we'll do nothing. We'll just select this two edges and we'll click on the project curves, and you will see that it will get, we'll click on project curves. I do not want everything to be projected, only the connected curves, and I will click on apply, and you will see that rectangle has been projected in our sketch environment. After that, what we'll do is that I will create a line and I will make it as reference. Also, this line, this line, this line, and this line will be made as a reference. Now what I will do is that I will take this polygon and I will take this reference line, and what we'll do, I will coincide that. After doing that, I will just make this and this line collinear with one another, and the only thing that remains is that I also want this line and this line to be collinear with one another. And now you see that it has been made at the center of the diagonal of a rectangle. Now the thing will be much more easier to understand. I will go back to the extrude environment. I will select this sketch of polygon and I will let it be at inferred, and I will click on apply, and you see that I will hide this sketch for a while, and you see that the same result has been obtained as that when we use the unite tool. If I reverse the direction, then also you see that it is not subtracting, it is on unite because it is now inferred, now it is subtracting. So this is like the intelligence or the limited intelligence, or not that much limited intelligence, whatever you want to call, of Siemens NX, and it allows the user to make Boolean options much easily. So this is the power of Boolean options, and with this we come to an end of our part 21. At part 22 we'll be studying some of the feature based modeling tools such as block, cylinder, cone and sphere. After that we'll be coming to the whole, trim body, edge blend, face blend and chamfer, and then the mirror and shell draft, etc. After that it will be linear, pattern, feature, etc. And then we'll be coming to the part navigator, that is a user interface, and then finally we'll be starting the assembly. So I hope you understood and enjoyed our lectures, and if you have any suggestions you can comment in the comment section, and if you like our series do hit the subscribe button, and if you like our videos you can share it with your friends. So till the next time we meet, goodbye.